So Nothing's next phone is almost here, and it's shaping up to be their biggest leap yet. We're talking major design changes, top tier specs, and yep, it looks like they might actually be killing off the Glyph lights. Bold move, right? Let's dive into everything we know about the Phone 3, because this isn't just another small refresh. And here's the thing, they're going full flagship this time. The Phone 3 is officially launching on July 1st at 6 p.m. British Summer Time, and it's not coming alone. Alongside it, they're dropping their very first pair of over-ear headphones, fittingly called Headphone 1, classic nothing move. Now, let's talk about the phone. Based on teasers, it seems like the Glyph lights are out. I know, wild. In their place, we're seeing hints of a more refined, ultra-precise design with bold lines, a dual-tone finish, and possibly a Braille-inspired button that still nods to their signature aesthetic. They're clearly shifting away from the transparent, LED-heavy look and heading into something more premium and polished. Spec-wise, this thing's stacked. It's expected to run on one of Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 series chips, either the Gen 3 or the 8S Gen 3. No doubt it's gonna be fast, and this time, nothing's going heavy on AI. We're talking deep, system-level integration baked right into Nothing OS 3.0, built on Android 15. Expect smarter interactions, better battery efficiency, and slick customization. The display, likely a large 6.7 to 6.77 inch AMOLED LTPO panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Yeah, doom scrolling in sunlight just got a whole lot easier. Battery's getting a bump too, over 5000 milliamp hours expected, which is a nice step up from the Phone 2. Charging speeds, probably around 45 watt, maybe even 50 watt. Fast enough to keep you going without hovering near an outlet. Now cameras, definitely a big step up from the Phone 2, but that's pretty much expected from a 2025 flagship. Triple lens setup on the back, likely a 50 megapixels main, an ultra wide, and a periscope telephoto for real zoom capabilities. Up front, a sharp 32 megapixel shooter for all your selfies and video calls. It's expected to ship in two configurations, 12 256 gig storage and 16 512 gigs. Global pricing could start around £800, about $1,078, but in India it might land more aggressively, maybe under 65,000 rupees to compete with the Pixel 9a and iPhone 16e. That's a pretty big leap from the Phone 2's 45,000 launch, but with this being Nothing's first true flagship, it kind of makes sense. So yeah, Nothing's not messing around this time. Flagship specs, a bold design shift, and a fresh accessory to go with it. It's going to be an interesting July. Thanks for watching. Peace.